Hi, I am Vanessa Black. I am Assistant Manager in Audit at Ernest and Young. By qualification, I am a Chartered Accountant, and it took me 7 years to obtain this qualification. This included 3 years of an undergraduate degree, which was called a BCom Financial Accounting, specializing in financial accounting, and 1 year of a postgraduate degree, which was called a Postgraduate Diploma in Accounting. This is often known as CTA. Thereafter, I did 3 years of articles at Ernest and Young under a training contract. To finance my tertiary education, I obtained a bursary from Ernest and Young, and I did my training articles at Ernest and Young too. My main courses at university were financial accounting, tax, auditing, and managerial accounting. These are called the 4 CA disciplines. One can do their articles in the audit discipline only. This means that when you're done with your 4 years of university, you need to enter into a training contract with an audit firm, and this will enable you to do your articles at an audit firm. Audit falls under the assurance department. The assurance department at EY consists of 2 sub-service lines, namely FITS and audit. FITS includes forensic investigations, and under audit, we provide reasonable assurance that annual financial statements are not materially misstated. Under audit, we have trainees that are busy doing their articles under training contracts, and then we have managers that review the work performed by the trainees and partners that sign off the annual financial statements. A training contract entails 2 parts. One part of your training contract relates to obtaining competencies. Under a training contract, there are a list of competencies that you're required to demonstrate, and at the end of your training contract, the training officer at the audit firm will sign off your competencies and will say that you are competent. The second component of a training contract is your day-to-day work, which is auditing annual financial statements. You obtain your competencies during audits. For example, you will obtain the tax competency when you prepare the tax calculation of a client. Once you are a chartered accountant at Ernest and Young, you obtain a managerial position in audit. Thereafter, you have various career options within EY to choose from. An example of this can include the tax department. You can become a tax manager and specialize in taxation. You can also move to the consulting department, where you can specialize in internal auditing or in accounting consulting. Although the road to becoming a CA is challenging, as I mentioned earlier, it took me 7 years to become a chartered accountant. Despite that, I would definitely advise you all to pursue this career. It is very challenging, it is fulfilling. It isn't a job where you do the same thing every day. On every different client, you are faced with a new challenge, with a new problem to solve, and that stretches you, it grows you. I feel like as a chartered accountant, I have unlimited career options. If you take an annual report and you look at the directors of any big corporate company, you will realize that most of the directors are chartered accountants. The sphere is unlimited, and the world is literally your oyster hereafter. And all the best on your road to becoming a CA.